Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Errors. Today in this video, I'm going to help you fix a problem with your internet in case your internet is acting up sluggish and you're not getting exactly the type of speed you're supposed to get while browsing. My internet is set to metered connection. By the way, this is a Windows 10 computer. Suppose you're also getting some alert like set on metered connection. You will somewhat face the problem wherein the accessibility to websites, performance of your applications, that can be hampered because of that metered connection, because that sets a limit on the use of the internet. So what we are going to do here is we need to simply go ahead and disable the metered connection. And to fix this problem, go ahead and get to your Windows settings, and on Windows 10 computer especially, you need to click on the Windows icon at the left side bottom corner, and right above the power icon you have the settings button that you can always click on and jump into the settings window. In this window you need to navigate to network and internet. Click on it. Now in this window on the left side, click on Wi-Fi. So after getting into the Wi-Fi section, you need to click on your Wi-Fi network at the top. In this window, you can scroll down a little and you will see set as metered connection enabled. Go ahead and click on that button to turn it off, and same way you can turn it on as well if it is needed in the future, but this is how you can turn it off. Once you do that, you have now full access to the internet. Your Windows will not stop updating, or applications will not stop updating in the background. And now you should not have any problem in accessing any type of website on your computer. Everything should work pretty normal. If you're still having a problem with the speed of your internet, then probably you need to restart your router. That you can do by removing the wire from the back, or simply push the power button if your router has one, and then wait for 1 minute, turn it back on and try again. That should fix the problem. Before I end this video, I want to give you one more quick tip. Suppose you have two Wi-Fi SSIDs, like you have a dedicated SSID for 2.4 gigahertz network, and for 5 gigahertz network you have a different SSID. So you can go ahead and also check that out. You should be connected to the 5G network on your computer, and that can give you the best speed possible. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for the future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. You are watching Crazy Errors. Have a lovely rest of day, and I will see you in the next one.